Hello everyone, and welcome back to your health channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bodily functions. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you hold in the urge to urinate or defecate? Well, you're about to find out. Stick around as we explore negative health implications to your body when you constantly delay these natural processes. The first consequence we will talk about is the risk of urinary retention. Holding in urine for prolonged periods can increase the risk of urinary retention, a condition where the bladder is unable to empty fully. This can lead to urinary tract infections, bladder stones, and even kidney damage over time. Next is increased risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. When urine sits in the bladder for too long, bacteria have more time to multiply, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections. UTIs can cause pain, burning sensations, and even fever if left untreated. Next is bladder stretching. Continuously delaying urination can stretch the bladder beyond its normal capacity. Over time, this can weaken the bladder muscles and lead to problems such as urinary incontinence. Constipation is another problem of holding back defecation can cause. Holding in bowel movements can result in constipation. When stool remains in the colon for too long, it becomes harder and drier, making it difficult and uncomfortable to pass. Chronic constipation can lead to complications such as hemorrhoids and rectal prolapse. Next on our list is hemorrhoids. Straining to hold in bowel movements or delaying defecation can increase the risk of developing hemorrhoids. These swollen veins in the rectum or anus can cause pain, itching, and bleeding. Next is impacted bowels. In severe cases of constipation, stool can become impacted, meaning it's stuck in the colon and cannot be expelled naturally. This can lead to abdominal pain, bloating, and even bowel obstruction, which requires medical intervention. Next is toxic buildup. Delaying bowel movements allows toxins and waste products to remain in the colon for longer periods, increasing the risk of absorption back into the bloodstream. This can potentially lead to systemic health issues and affect overall well-being. Next is increased risk of diverticulitis. Chronic constipation and straining during bowel movements can contribute to the development of diverticular, small pouches that form in the walls of the colon. If these pouches become inflamed or infected, it can result in a condition called diverticulitis, characterized by abdominal pain, fever, and changes in bowel habits. Next is pelvic floor dysfunction. Continuously holding in urine or stool can weaken the muscles of the pelvic floor over time. This can lead to pelvic floor dysfunction, which may manifest as urinary or fecal incontinence, pelvic organ prolapse, or pelvic pain. Next is increased risk of kidney stones. Prolonged urinary retention can lead to the formation of kidney stones. When urine remains stagnant in the bladder, minerals can crystallize and form stones, which can be extremely painful to pass and may require medical intervention. Next problem is impact on cognitive function. Research suggests that delaying urination and defecation can have cognitive effects. The discomfort and distraction caused by holding in bodily waste can impair concentration, focus, and decision-making abilities. Next is disruption of sleep patterns. Needing to urinate or defecate during the night can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to fragmented sleep. Over time, chronic sleep disturbances can negatively impact overall health and well-being, increasing the risk of mood disorders, weight gain, and cognitive decline. Next is skin irritation. Holding in urine can result in skin irritation and rashes, particularly in the genital and perineal areas. Prolonged exposure to moisture and waste products can irritate the skin, leading to discomfort, itching, and inflammation. Next is psychological effects. Continuously delaying urination and defecation can have psychological effects, including anxiety, stress, and embarrassment. This can impact self-esteem and social interactions, leading to avoidance behaviors and decreased quality of life. And there you have it, folks. Compelling reasons why you shouldn't hold it in when nature calls. Remember, listening to your body's cues and responding promptly is essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the human body. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.